Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
First of all, welcome back to the PVL. Is it as easy as plug and play for Gia de Guzman? And tell me about being back in the PVL.
No, I'm
Beware ba? Beware? Ganun ba?
no, I'm a very big system player. I know na familiarity is a big thing. So, I understand. Almost 3 years ako wala sa PVL. I haven't played with Cream9 for a long time. So, I need time to get used to playing with them and also get used to playing in the PVL again. And ngayon nga, now we know all of the teams are quite level because of the player acquisitions. You know, I'm excited. Super excited talaga.
Are you excited to face them? Are you guys excited to face Gia? Because kayo, ganun ba? Because,
Alam mo ba na nanaginip ako, sabi ko, ayoko kalaro sa Gia. Yun.
pero,
So gusto mo ba ako kalaban?
pero kayo,
Ate
you
Jen.
never went up against her yet, di ba?
Jen.
So, excited?
Wag na muna po. Ate Gia, magpahinga muna po sa bahay.
Take your time to reintegrate.
take your time.
Good to have you back, partner. Congratulations to all of you for great 2025, the success of Alas Pilipinas, and of course, your club teams now. I can't wait to get the action going at magkatarayan sa net pag nakita ko kayo. Yan! Ladies and gentlemen, Gia de Guzman, Jen Yerba, Bella Belen, Juju Coronel with us, Alas Pilipinas. Thank you for joining us here on Spotlight Series. I'm Boom Gonzalez. This has been Star Live.
So, ayun na nga guys. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, huwag mo naman sanang kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. At pakipindutin mo na din ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. Thank you. Bye!